Yes, be ready. 3, 2, 1, start. After careful perusal of the evidence adduced in proof of the above circumstance, we notice a glaring missing link in that the prosecution has failed to establish that the seized articles were not or could not be tampered with before it reached the Bureau for Examination stop. Though evidence was led to prove that after seizure the articles were packaged and then sealed, no evidence was led to indicate what was the mark given in the seals and whether the Bureau received the packages with the marked seals intact. Stop. Indeed, even the contemporaneous letters exchanged between them within bracket exhibit P59 and P60 do not throw any light on this aspect of the matter. Stop. Rather, other circumstances appearing on the record make the prosecution case doubtful in this regard. First, the articles were kept in the police station for 5 days without any justifiable reason. Secondly, the investigating officer within bracket PW20 admitted that the seal mark of which was put on the articles was with him since the time of seizure. And lastly, his letter within bracket exhibit P59 forwarding the seized articles to the Bureau contains admittedly an overwriting as regards the date of its writing oblique dispatch, and no satisfactory explanation is forthcoming for the same. Stop para. Apart from the above missing link and the suspicious circumstances surrounding the same, there is another circumstances which also cast a serious mistrust as to genuineness of the evidence. Stop. Even though the specimen fingerprints of Muhammad Aman had to be taken on a number of occasions at the behest of the Bureau, they were never taken before or under the order of a magistrate in accordance with Section 5 of the Identification of Prisoners Act. Stop. It is true that under Section 4 thereof, police is competent to take fingerprints of the accused, but to dispel any suspicion as to its bona fides or to eliminate the possibility of fabrication of evidence, it was eminently desirable that they were taken before or under the order of a magistrate. Stop. The other related infirmity from which the prosecution case suffers is that the brass jug, production of which would have been the best evidence in proof of the claim of its seizure and subsequently examination by the Bureau, was not produced and exhibited during trial for reasons best known to the prosecution and unknown to the court. Stop. For the foregoing discussion, we are unable to sustain the convictions of the Muhammad Aman. Stop and over.